ngIf allows us to hide or show part for our application based on some condition. Now here in app.component.ts, we have an array of objects. Each object has a language field and a rank field. Now let's head to app.component.html, where we are going to iterate through the whole list, showing only the top 3. Now let's start with the div tag. We iterate the list using ngFor equal to let lang of language string, and here lang.language. Now we are just showing all the languages here. Let's check the browser. They are all displayed as shown here. Now let's go back to our editor. Let's get rid of this. And we add a div tag where we are going to use ngIf with a capital I equals to, and we add our condition. Our condition here is 3 is greater or equal to lang.rank. So here, if the language string is less than 3 or equal to 3, we're gonna show it. So lang.language. Now let's check the browser. Now we have only Java, C, and Python, which has a rank of 1, C has a rank of 2, and Python has a rank of 3. Now let's go back to app.component.html. Also, we can provide an else statement in case our condition evaluates to false. So here we add semicolon, else, let's call it else block. And here we add an ng template. We put an ampersand, else block. So here, in case our condition evaluates to true, we add in the top 3. And here we add language didn't make the list. Did not make the list. Now let's check in the browser. Java in the top 3, C in the top 3, SQL did not make the list. Now let's go back to the editor. We can actually do this same thing in another way by adding a then statement. Now here we add an ng template. We add an identifier, ampersand. We can call it then block. And here after our condition, add then block. Now let's move this to our then block. Now let's see in the browser, and here we have the same result.